How to verify certificates. Certificates issued by childsafeguarding.com are independently verifiable. If a vendor comes into your school claiming that they have completed the course for all of the employees that will be working at the school, you can verify this to be true by asking for the certificate numbers for each of the employees. The certificate numbers are found here. You can take this information and put it into our website to verify that the certificates are valid. What this does is add a level of security to the certificates themselves, thereby ensuring that every certificate that is validated on our system was actually completed by the learner that claims they did it, so that certificates issued by childsafeguarding.com cannot be faked. They cannot be made in Photoshop because they won't show up in our verification system. To verify certificates, just come to CES Aware and click on the Verify button. You'll notice that you don't need to log in and you don't even need an account on the system to verify certificates. You can either enter in certificate numbers individually, up to 25, or you can download a template to upload in bulk using a CSV. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter in 4 different numbers. I have a valid certificate, I have an in-progress session, I have a course, notice the C, and then I have just a jumble of numbers. Once you enter in the certificate numbers you want to verify, just click Verify, and then you will be told whether those numbers are valid or invalid in our system. If they are invalid, that doesn't mean that it is an incorrect number, it just means that it is not a completed certificate. For completed certificates, you'll be shown that it's completed right here, and you'll be shown the information you should see on the certificate so that you can independently verify that the certificate information that's presented to you matches what's in our database. Again, this provides a level of security and authenticity that is of value to the learners because they have an individually verifiable certificate that only belongs to them, and it provides a level of security to schools and vendors to ensure that anybody who shows up with a certificate does actually have proof that they've completed the course.